How you can use Copilot for free in Windows. First, you should connect your device with the internet. So I have already connected my device with the internet. Once it is connected, you can see here there is an option called Copilot in Windows. Click on this small icon. It will open the Copilot. Here you can ask any question whatever you want. So I'll ask a simple question. Write a program to add two numbers, okay, in Java. As you can see here, it has started generating the complete code for you in Java. Okay, in this way it will generate a complete code, and you can take the use of this code same as ChatGPT. So let me ask some other question. Convert this code in Python. It's a quick response. You can see here it has started generating the same code in Python. Okay, in this way you can generate any codes or any programs with the help of Copilot, same as ChatGPT. So thank you, you're welcome. This is the response by Copilot. Okay, you can click on this icon and see there are multiple plugins available. The search plugin is already enabled, but here are some other plugins. If you want, you can enable this. There are multiple plugins, so I'm not gonna enable any of these plugins. It's not required for me. If you'll click on these three dots, then here you will get an option called refresh terms of use and settings, so on. Okay, and here if you'll click on this icon, then it will redirect to copilot.microsoft.com. okay, this is the official Copilot platform where you can ask or see your response. To use this feature, you have to create your account. So you can take the use of this feature, which is same as ChatGPT, and let me know if you have any query.